Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rocket Money for bill tracking including premiums, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Rocket Money for bill tracking, first, download the Rocket Money app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it to begin the registration process. You will be greeted with the option to sign up using your email address or through Google or Apple ID. Choose your preferred method to proceed. If you select email, enter your email address and create a secure password. Next, check your email for a confirmation link from Rocket Money. Click on the link to verify your email address. After verifying, return to the app to log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, you will be prompted to grant the app permission to access your financial information. This step is crucial for tracking your bills and premiums effectively. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your bank account or financial services. You may need to provide additional information, such as your account login credentials. Ensure that all entered information is accurate to prevent any potential issues. After linking your accounts, the app will begin to analyze your spending patterns. Next, navigate to the section designated for bill tracking. Here, you can add various bills and premiums you wish to monitor. Click on the Add Bill button to input each bill type. Enter the name of the service provider and the due date for each bill. You can also specify the amount to be paid for better tracking. For recurring payments, select the frequency of the billing cycle. After entering all necessary information, save each billing entry. Next, check the dashboard for an overview of your upcoming bills and premiums. You can set reminders within the app for due dates to ensure timely payments. Explore additional features to customize your tracking experience. Familiarize yourself with the reports section for insights into your spending habits. Lastly, review and update your bills and premiums regularly for the most accurate tracking. By following these steps, you will successfully register with Rocket Money for comprehensive bill tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.